I got my MegaTree out to set up for my Christmas light display, and I have a problem. There's one pixel node here that is blinking red for some reason whenever I turn on and send a signal. I pulled it out of the strand, and I'm going to mark it with some tape so I know where it is when I turn the power off. With the power off, I can safely remove the wires on either side of the node. Here's the node. Again, make sure that the power is off before you start applying your wire cutters. I've removed the node. Now I can split the individual wires and strip off a portion of them so I can crimp new connectors on. Here are the stripped wire ends. I can twist the strands together to provide better electrical connection in the crimped connectors. Now we can add a crimped connector to the end of each wire. Once you've got the crimped connectors in, you can attach a new node on the other side. Be sure you have the node pointed the right direction. Before you heat shrink the ends, make sure that the bullet node lights up and that all the other nodes do too. Once you know it works, heat shrink the ends to make sure that the node is weather tight. And that's it. That's how you replace any RGB LED pixel on your MegaTree or any of your other props. Good luck, and if you have questions or comments, please post them below.